Look what came. It is Birchbox's March box. Kind of tongue twister there. Hello my beautiful friends. My name is Christina Marie. I do beauty box unboxings, reviews, tutorials, and the occasional giveaway. Speaking of giveaways, when this channel hits 100 subscribers, we are going to be giving away some free beauty products. So make sure you're subscribed and hit that notification bell so you know when that video is coming up. So Birchbox is only $10 a month, and they ship out, beauty and skincare type of items. It's great, especially for the samples, if you can find out, if you really like this product, and then you can go buy the full size, and you're not wasting your whole money if you, find out, hey, I'm not going to really like it. The samples give you a chance to kind of feel your way out and kind of broaden your makeup and skincare collection as well. So let's dive into this box. So there's always a card here in the box, and I love the saying on this: invent the reality you want to live. The future starts now. I'm in love with that saying. And on the back, it talks about the products inside. And the first thing in here is, so you can have the choice to curate part of your box. You had a couple different choices, and the rest, they would all, put the samples in for you. So that's what I chose to do. And the item that I chose is this Deep Sleep Pillow Spray. Basically, you spray it on your pillowcase, and it's supposed to help you fall asleep faster, have great dreams. So what this says is, it's clinically proven to aid a good night's rest. The calming infusion of lavender and chamomile helps you fall asleep faster. Just spray on your pillow right before bed. A full size of this would be $20. This is just the sample size. So we have a couple products from Davines. We have the Mini Illuminating Shampoo for color treated hair, which mine is. This is a really good size bottle here. It's 75 milligrams, 2.5 fluid ounces. And what this says, full size of this does retail for $28. This eco-friendly shampoo gently cleanses strands without stripping color. As a result, the hair is left shiny and refreshed. Plus, the lovely citrus fruit can't be beat. I love citrus fruit and citrus items. So let's just give this a smell. I'm trying to figure out what, it's not like an orange. It's almost like a lemon maybe scent. It's really light though. And then you also have their conditioner, a little foil packet. This is the Mini Illuminating Conditioner for color treated hair. Full size of this retails for $32. Infused with Proactive Caper Blossom Extract. This conditioner tames tangles, leaves hair soft and silky, and helps keep your color vibrant for longer. So I have super curly hair, and it gets tangled really easily. So I usually have to use a detangler. So maybe if this would act as a conditioner and detangler, it would save a step for me. So the third item from Davines is the MINU Hair Serum for color treated hair. Full size of this retails for $26, and the lightweight leave-in treatment helps keep color from fading while boosting your strands shine bonus. This fresh citrusy smell smells delightful. We do have another hair product in here. I think they went heavy on the hair care this month. This is by Amika. It is their Soulfood Nourishing Mask, and it's a hair mask. It's packed with sea buckthorn berry, which is chocked full of omegas and jojoba oil. This paraben-free mask intensely hydrates strands while repairing damage and sealing frayed ends. This does retail for $28. So this will be good to try out. Now we're getting into some of the products that I love. So this is the Love and Color One Done Eyeshadow Stick in Champagne Problems. Full size of this does retail for $10. Here's what it kind of looks like. And what this says is a silvery taupe waterproof shadow stick delivers up to 11 hours, wow, of creaseless color. Use it all over your eyelids for a wash of color, or on the inner corners for a pop of brightness. And here's kind of what the shadow looks like. You could, yeah, definitely put it on your inner corners. I wonder, because it almost looks like you could use it as a highlighter maybe too. Last but not least, we have the Smashbox Photo Finishing Foundation Primer. And here's what this looks like. The full size of this retails for $36. I've been really wanting to try this primer out. I haven't tried it out yet. And it's the cult-loved oil-free primer. Minimizes the appearance of pores and fine lines. Creates a silky smooth base for long-wearing makeup. Let me know in the comments below. Have you guys tried this? And any tips or tricks you have for me for that. I am really looking forward to trying this out. So I think my three favorite would be the Deep Sleep Pillow Spray. I'm really hoping that this will help me. I'm traveling next week and I'm staying in a different hotel almost every night, going on a college tour visit. Take my son to go see different colleges in the Western United States, and so getting a good night's sleep would be great. For me, when I travel, that first night in a new place, I never sleep well, and the second night I do, but on this trip where I'm going from a different hotel every night, I'm really hoping that this helps. And then I also really loved that Lock Champagne eyeshadow color. I think it's really pretty, and then I cannot wait to try the Smashbox out. Which of the products were your favorite? Let me know in the comments below. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do. It really means a lot to me when you do. Hit that like button if you like this video, and hit that notification bell so you know when our next video will be posted. As always, you guys have a beautiful day, and I will see you soon. Bye.